Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Python inside your Windows PC. Let it be Windows 10 or Windows 11, it really doesn't matter, but it's only for Windows PC. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's get right into the video. So at first, open your Chrome. Once you're in here, searching for Python download. As you can see, it says Python download for Windows. Press on it. And here, press on Python, download Python. It should be this website, by the way, remember. If it says ad or sponsored or something here, get down and find something called this. Press on the website. You can find something called download Python 3.13. See, this is the, original version right now, which is running. This is the latest version. Once you click on it, it's going to automatically start downloading it. So now you just press on it. You're going to come into this part. So it says, how do you do it? Install Python 3.13, you can press on install now. You can, customize installation. So you can choose, what to download and what not to. So you need pip usually, you need documentation. So you need, all of this. So this is for all users. So, you can do anything, you can select anything. So I'm just going to go, press on install now. I can even, add python.exe to path. I'll do that actually. And once I do that, I can press on install now and it'll start installing. It'll usually take a bit depending on your PC and your internet speed. Most of it it'll be done in 2 to 5 minutes. That's it. So as you can see, it is being downloaded and it'll be downloaded into your PC. You can just go search up at this part in your Windows. So your setup is successfully done. So now you can just close this, go here and search for Python. As you can see, Python 3.13. I already have 3.11. This is 3.13. It's officially installed. As you can see, this is a Python. It's really that simple. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.